Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and reduce motion on your account on X-Switcher. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility and display and language settings. Now click accessibility and here you will find reduce motion. Click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on reduce motion on your account on X-Switcher. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.